Across the board, solution provider exploration of AI tools has increased with full-scale implementation of external tools doubling from 2023 to 2024. I'm here at Exchange and I spoke with several solution providers to share their experiences.
AI is disruptive yet revolutionary. We're at the beginning of the beginning. So what interests me about AI is the opportunity to help and assist and to learn and to grow and be a part of this revolution.
The thing that excites me the most is the power of these tools and what they're going to be able to do to shape my business, the industry, and what they're going to be able to do to add significant value to our clients and really to all of our businesses.
I think there are a lot of misconceptions that are out there of AI tools. There are a lot of free apps. We've always been a believer that you have to pay for something, it has to prove itself, and it becomes a focal point of your organization. People want help in making those decisions. They want to automate some of those mundane tasks, but we also have to validate that what it's doing is correct and your data stays your data.
Part of how I've incorporated AI into my organization is through, say, the phone system. The ability to utilize call transcripts, call recordings that get automatically entered into each record. Now artificial intelligence does it in real time so that I can reference it, use it for future analyzing of maybe trends or potential upsells.
I'm not an Excel whiz. I get a lot of BI data that comes in an Excel format. Now I have an ability to go out there and save myself some time and create some fancy formulas.
A lot of our clients require CMMC compliance. So we just created a simple bot where we uploaded all their policies and procedures. And one of the examples was, I'm a brand new CFO. I need to understand what CMMC is. How does it impact my business? What are the policies that should be impacting me? The output was exactly what he needed.
We're internally using AI. We're using Copilot. It just launched. We're in the stage of trying to figure out how do we process that data, how do we use it, how can we maximize our Copilot. And for our clients are definitely interested in it. However, we work with municipalities and it seems that there's no real compliance created yet, no policies, no procedures to regulate it. People want to use it and then they're shadowly using it, right? But we want to still make sure that we can protect the infrastructure as well as the data.
AI, obviously, I know it's said time and time again that it is the future, but I think it's very present as well as the future.